Hello and welcome back. Tonight I want to go over some of the features of my latest grinder design. I've been building this grinder for about 1.5 years now. But I have, my motor is offset 3/8 of an inch. This allows the drive wheel to be seated all the way onto the drive shaft of the motor. This one's got the optional rotary Platen. The base is a real simple design, just 4 pieces of 2x2 angle iron, 1/4 inch wall. I've got the pivot point real close to the grinder frame. The locking handle is located between the two pivot joints, so it's out of the way. It pivots real easy, well balanced. Runs nice and good. You can run this with the 10-inch contact wheel. Rotate it so you got a little slack belt right there. Lock that down. Run it with the flat Platen. I typically sell this grinder with a regular D plate. That also looks pretty good. I'll probably just run the adjustment a little bit on it. That's better. It also features my dual tracking hinge, a 30-pound gas spring, 1.5 horse, 3,600 RPM motor. Now this grinder design will also allow you to unbolt this bracket, put an angled bracket on there with slotted holes, and run a motor without a C-face. You can run a regular motor mount that way. Just bolt the motor on from the back. Let me know what you think about this grinder. Thank you.